Hey guys, I wanted to make a short video about the latest update that's submitted last week, in which I modified the UI a bit. So if you download the new add-on, what you're going to notice is that by default you don't have sliders anymore, but you have drop-down menus with presets of real camera values for ISO, aperture, and shutter speed as well. And I think it's pretty useful because you can always use the control mouse wheel and you would change the exposure by 1/3 of a stop or half a stop in the case of the aperture. And this kind of forces you to use real values, and that helps to have a good photorealistic base, I think. But I don't want to limit anyone, so you can always switch to sliders, and these are available by clicking on those small icons on the side. So you would get back to the old behavior, and you can always type values outside of the slider range if you want to. So yeah, that's the new update. And another option is that now in the preferences you can select what type of workflow you want to use. So you can choose if you prefer the EV mode or the manual mode, and you can also choose if you want to use sliders or if you want to use those real camera presets. And something to keep in mind is that you have to save your user settings and to restart Blender, and then any new camera that you're gonna create will have those default settings. It won't affect the cameras that have been created earlier. So I hope this is helpful, and please leave feedback in the comments below, and see you next time.